Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to compare Tradelle versus AutoDS. Tradelle and AutoDS are both popular tools in the dropshipping ecosystem, but they serve different purposes. First, we will talk about Tradelle and its features. Number 1. All-in-one solution. Tradelle offers product research, supplier sourcing, order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support. Number 2. Audience. Tradelle is ideal for beginners looking for a complete dropshipping solution. Number 3. Key features. Tradelle offers product research tools, supplier directory, automated order processing, inventory synchronization, and customer support. Now, we will talk about AutoDS and its features. Number 1. Focus on automation. AutoDS specializes in order processing, fulfillment, and inventory management. Number 2. Audience. AutoDS is ideal for established dropshippers who need to streamline their operations. Number 3. Key features. AutoDS offers product importing, order automation, price and inventory updates, and order management tools. Conclusion: choose Tradelle if you are new to dropshipping and need a comprehensive platform to handle all aspects of your business. Use AutoDS if you already have a product line and primarily need help with order processing and automation. Well, on the other hand, you can use both of these tools, as Tradelle can be used for product research and sourcing, while AutoDS can handle order fulfillment and automation. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share, and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.